So the FinTech Innovation Lab has evolved greatly over the last 4 years. This year, we've received a record number of applications, double what we received last year. We're also bringing in 10 startups into the program. That's an increase from 7 to 8. And finally, we're including insurance into the program, and we've added 2 insurance companies as partners of the FinTech Innovation Lab. So this year, the program has grown where we introduced streams into the program, and these streams allow us and the startups to be more focused in the mentorship, both from a startup's perspective as well as the engagement level from the financial institutions. The second thing I'd like to highlight about the program this year is also the increased involvement from Accenture. This year we've added subject matter experts into the program where Accenture executives will, from each stream, provide guidance and advice to the startups within those streams.
The Accenture FinTech Innovation Program is a global program which provides connectivities to other parts of the world. At the same time, the program brings the FinTech company and the large financial institution to work together to refine the product, to give the feedback. We find that the opportunity is excellent.
Credit Suisse is part of the global Accenture Innovation Lab, so we take advantage of the exposure in London, New York, and Hong Kong. Across the globe, we see different trends, etc. We share information. The program in its 4th year in Hong Kong is working very, very well.
Our employees love to be involved. We like to hear about the new technologies, and we like to stay cutting edge as well. And we also like the giving back element, right? So one of our values, our core values at Morgan Stanley is giving back. So to have the opportunity to meet with companies and contribute to their success is something that's important to what we do as a company.
So we HSBC, through this program, encourage and enable the FinTech company to work with our business and IT experts closely. And we give feedback to them, we give suggestions to them, and they help us to understand the product and the proposition. At the same time, we work on the proof of concept so that we can understand the opportunity we can create for our business globally.
I think it's good that it's on the 4th year and there's a kind of an established rhythm here. I mean, it's well run, it's well known, so it attracts the right kind of talent or the right startups to participate.
The Hong Kong fintech scene has certainly matured and grown in the last couple of years from obviously the involvement of the regulators. They've set up, the HKMA has set up a sandbox, which definitely is driving the growth, and it shows a proactive way where the government and the regulator is engaging in fintech.
There are a lot of opportunities to innovate, right? Leapfrogging around technologies. The infrastructure here is not the same as in the West. So FinTech has a unique value proposition in the region.
The innovation of FinTech and the growth of them has been pervasive and getting massive, in Asia-Pacific country, not just Hong Kong. You can see a lot of governments are giving a lot of support, to the FinTech community and create a lot of innovations, in the financial products and services.
The whole kind of FinTech environment has ballooned basically over the last 4 years, much more mature, much more involved and engaged in terms of the various participants.
When we set out the program in 2014, the fintech landscape was extremely fragmented. One of the things we did was bring the ecosystem together. We see ourselves certainly as the stewards of fintech and driving and growing the fintech industry in Asia Pacific.